Okay friends, now in morning session we have discussed about the transfer of the charge. So first we take the activity that is 15.4. In this activity we take the one jam bottle and take the pieces of the cardboard and kept it on the jam of the bottle. Now make the one hole and pass the one open circular clip and hang the two aluminum foils as shown in figure. Now you have to take the one charge refill and touch the open paper clip. So for that you can be observed that the aluminum foil strip receive the same charge for the charge refill. The strip carrying similar charge repel each other and they become wide open. And such a devices can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. And this device is known as the electroscope. Now we have to find that the electrical charge can be transferred from charge object to another charge object. So for that, touch the end of the paper clip with your fingers and you will find a change in the foil strip. So you observe that the aluminum foil come back to their original position. Because of that, the foil strips lost the charge to the earth through your body. So we can say that the foil strips are the discharge. The process of transferring of charge from a charged object to the earth, it is called the earthing. So here that is earthing. So earthing is providing the building or the house to protect us from the electrical shocks due any leakage of electric current. Now the next topic, that is story of the lightning. So in standard that is 7th, you have to study that during the development of the rainstorm, the air current moves in upward direction. While the water droplets moves in downward direction. Now this strong movement causes the separation of charges. Here the positive charge collect near the upper edges of the cloud and the negative charge collect near the lower edges of the cloud as shown in figure. So here that is there is a collection of positive charge near the ground also as shown in figure. So here when the magnitude of the accumulation charge become very large, so negative charge and positive charge meet to each other producing the strikes of the bright light with the sound as shown in figure. So we see strikes as lightning and the process is called an electric discharge. The process of electric discharge can occur between the two or more clouds, between the clouds as well as on and the earth. Sometimes we observe that the lightning strikes could destroy the life and property. So therefore it is necessary to take the measure to protect themselves. Now next topic is the lightning safety. So during the lightning and rainstorm, that is no open place is the safe for us. So which is the safe place? So for that a house or a building, it is a safe place. And suppose you are traveling by car or by bus, you are safe inside the windows and doors of the vehicle shut. Now what you do and what you do not during the thunderstorm. Suppose you are in outside. Suppose you are going in the open vehicles like a motorbike, scooter, tractor, that is in open cars. So these are the not safe. Similarly, that is the umbrella is also not safe for you, because in open fields, tall trees, shelters, in garden or parks, higher places, these are also not protect us from the lightning strokes. Suppose you are in forest, so take the shelter under the shorter trees. If there is no short shelter is available around you, so for that you stay away from all the tall trees. Stay away from the poles, electric poles, or other metal objects like iron, copper, nickel, okay, aluminum. These are the metal objects we have to be stay away from such type of the objects. And suppose you are in open place, you do not lie on the ground, but instead of that you have to sit as shown in figure. You have to sit on the ground, place your hands on your knees with your head between the hands. So this position will make you the smallest target to be struck. Now suppose you are inside the house, so what you have to do? So lightning can strike telephone cords, electrical wires, as well as metal pipe. So during the thunderstorm, you should not be on switch off the mobile phone as well as cell phone. You should not be on such type of the electrical appliances. Another electrical appliances like computers, fridge, refrigerator, washing machines, TVs, or should be unplugged. Electrical lights can remain on because they do not cause any harm. Besides that, bathing should be avoided during the thunderstorm. You should not take the bath during such type of the thunderstorm. Now lightning conductors. We discuss about the lightning conductors. So here lightning conductor, it is the device used to protect building or the house from the effect of the lightning. So here as shown in figure, you take the metallic rod, that is from iron rod, okay, lightning conductor. So take the metallic rod, it is installed in the wall of the building during its construction, and one end of the rod is kept out in the air and remaining other end is buried deep inside the ground as shown in figure. So this rod provides easy to route for the transfer of electric charge to the ground.